there's a whole bunch of things we could do. But time is one thing that we can't, once that moment's gone, that moment's gone. We don't live in the past. So when somebody says, hey, and asks you an instructor a question and you're out in the field, you are no longer an instructor, you're part of a team. When you're in a classroom, you're the instructor. When you're doing work, you're part of a team. And everybody has the same stay on a team, right? You may be the instructor and the smartest one there, but when somebody asks you a question, you need to do it what Brent models so well, is use every opportunity for a learning opportunity. And your next move isn't to just say yes or no, it's to ask a question. Because when I ask you a question, how do you think that affected that group when you talk to Manny?
Mm-hmm.
Now Brent is going to take time for a response, and that whole thing changes everything. You saw it in real time, right, Brent?
Yeah. So bring it, just kind of piggybacking what you're saying, Billy.